How to delete Zooba account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to remove your account from Zooba permanently or stop playing, then you can just launch the app open first on your device, and once you're inside the main lobby page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Once you open up this settings menu, go to the left hand side and tap on account. Inside the account settings page, go to the bottom right and tap on the red delete account button. You are about to request permanent deletion of your account. Make sure that you really want to do this. This will erase all of your account's data, including access, and all the purchased and gained items will also be lost. To confirm the deletion, click on delete account once again and follow through the instructions. And right after you do that, you will be able to delete your Zooba account permanently. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you and stay tuned for more.